though. It's not really. It's kind of working. It's not really working.
Breathe in a lot of it.
Hold on.
And swallow it. You gotta swallow the air.
I'm trying the whole.
I just want to laugh again.
Swallow it.
Oh my goodness. This will be what you guys in this too on the weekends.
Does it not work? Oh, it's working at least in the helium.
Let me see it.
No.
Just a little bit more.
Wait, no.
Record me.
Wait, I want to laugh.
I need some juice. I need some juice.
Why is it blurry?
Right here.
It's all blurry.
Go for it. Ready, go.
I love it.
Don't use it all. I want.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use all of it. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. Oh my gosh.
When your voice dies, it's the best. Oh my gosh.
Save me some, Nolan.
Oh.
Yes, I want
It's still going.
One just
Oh, this is gonna be good. Swallow it.
Swallow it. It helps.
Is it gonna working? Oh my goodness.
It just somehow made it worse. Cause like I have.
He's looking back again.
How does helium even work? I don't even know why it changes your voice.
I don't
It's
know.
so weird. Okay. It sounds like a munchkin. I mean, like,
I am a money.
I didn't think her voice could get any higher.
I am really lightheaded.
Wow, that sounds so funny. I want you to talk and say something.
Swallow.
Tell us a story.